Hey, welcome back. This is Ali from isocialu.com, and in this video I want to talk about Twitter cards. What are they and how can you effectively use them? So first of all, here I am logged into Twitter, and maybe you're looking at a completely new design. If that's the case, then yes, it is true. Twitter has made a lot of changes recently, and it seems like every few months there are new updates and new changes, especially on the UI. So if your Twitter looks a little different, don't worry. And I believe I can go back to, so there's a switch to legacy Twitter, and this is the older look and feel on Twitter. And I believe if I click here, so you may have this option of try the new Twitter. If you do, you can try it. I actually like it. I think the new look and feel, the new design is super slick. So I personally love it. All right, let's talk about the Twitter card. So one thing I want to point out, Twitter used to have lead generation cards, which were very similar to Facebook lead ads, but they're not there anymore. They have made a lot of changes and took that away. I'm kind of sad about that, but Twitter cards are still very effective for you to use. So let me show you how to access Twitter cards. So first of all, go to your profile, and then we're gonna make sure you go to the Twitter ads. So you do not need to be running Twitter ads and spending money to use Twitter cards, but you do need to have your ad account set up. So on the new Twitter UI, I'm gonna click on more and then go to Twitter ads. And here's the URL. You can, if you're logged into Twitter, you can just go to ads.twitter.com right here. So it will take you to this interface. And then what you're gonna do is look under creatives, and then you'll see tweets, cards, and media. So we're gonna go to the cards. So the huge benefit of card, first of all, why should you use it? Basically, think of Twitter cards as multimedia components or multimedia assets that you can use again and again and again. So for example, let's say, hey, you have a campaign for the summer about back to school or whatever it may be. You can create some videos or maybe some images and then create the Twitter cards and then use them again and again and again inside your tweet. So you don't have to create the assets again and again. Especially for campaigns, this is pretty handy. Now let me show you how to create those cards. So for example, right here, so I'm logged in, and right now I have access to the website cards. So these are the website cards. Website cards, basically you design a multimedia like this. Let's see if we can see this. Yeah, there you go. So this is a Twitter card, and basically it's just driving people. When people click on it, it's driving them or it's taking them from Twitter to my website, isocialu.com. Now, step back and think about the possibilities. If you want to generate leads, if you have a lead generating page on your website, you can use Twitter card, the website card, to drive people there where they can get your offer or your ebook or whatever it may be in exchange for an email. So you can definitely use Twitter cards for lead generation purposes as well. All right, now let me show you how to create the Twitter card. So what we're gonna do is click on create card, and you'll see there are different options here. So there's website card. Basically for the website cards, you're driving them to your website using an image. With the video website card, guess what? Yeah, you're using a small or a short video, not small. You're using a short video and then driving people to the website. And then if you wanna promote your app, you will create the image app or the video app. This is where they used to have the lead generation card, and I have to tell you, I'm gonna miss the lead generation card because they worked really like Facebook lead ads. When people clicked on it, instantly they got the offer and you got the emails. There was no need for an external landing page or a website, but sadly Twitter has removed that option, so we just have to use what we have the best way possible. All right, so to create the Twitter cards, so you're gonna click on this, and it is extremely simple now. So just these 4 things that you have to fill out. So first of all, you have to, and here's the aspect ratio for your cards. So I'm gonna go and pick an image. Let's see. Let's see if I can use this image. There you go. Crop. And for headline, I'm gonna say get free hacks. And let's grab the URL. So I use my homepage, my website, iSocialU, also as a lead generation because there's a really strong call to action here, and it actually converts really well. And also we have this full page capture box. So get the latest marketing hacks. So let's go back. And that's it. And I'm just gonna call it website card. That's it. And this is where, let's say you had an offer page or a giveaway page, this is where you would add that. And I'm gonna just name it test and then hit create. I already have a card like this, which is right here, but let's see if I can create this one too. So maybe it's not gonna let me create a duplicate card. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So maybe I did something wrong. So here we go. Here's the new card that we just created. And now, so once you have created the card, how do you use it? So all you have to do is, for example, you can preview the card, you can tweet it, you can duplicate it, you can edit it. So we're going to use this card in the tweet, and this is where it's helpful. So think of this as an asset, as an image asset, and if you use the video card, it would be a video asset as well. So think of this as a multimedia asset that you can use again and again and again. All right, let's create our tweet, and actually I'm just gonna copy this for our video. Let's go back, and then let's put some hashtags that I wanna be found in. And then we're not gonna use the ad, that's it, and I'm gonna hit. So there you go, you have options for scheduling and draft, so I'm gonna hit the tweet. That's it, and now let's go to my Twitter. And there you go. So here's the tweet that we just created using a website card. So that's it, it's pretty simple. You can go to log into your ad account, Twitter ad account, and then make sure you go to the creative and then the cards. And there used to be a lead generation card which was super awesome. Unfortunately, that's not there anymore. Twitter took it away. They made a lot of changes on the platform recently, and hopefully those changes are for the good. They took it away for a reason. Maybe not a lot of people were using it, but like I mentioned, there's still some options here. The website cards, the video website card, you can use these options to drive traffic, the people that you are engaging with on Twitter, to your website or your landing pages, and then capture their emails to generate leads for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.